We have two different species of turacos in the parrot playhouse now. And turacos are birds that are found in Africa. They are extremely unique in that they actually are one of the only birds with true pigmentation. So most birds get their coloration from the structure of the feathers. So the way the feathers lay down and creates a structure creates reflection and refraction that gives us color to our eyes. But the turacos actually have true pigmentation, and the color will actually come out of the feathers. Turacos are perfect for the parrot playhouse because of their diet, because they're very calm, not an aggressive bird at all. They're really fun to see flying around the parrot playhouse. They make a great addition.